Chris with Prima Coffee Equipment here with Jason from Slayer Espresso. Jason's showing off the brand new one group Slayer.
Yeah.
Why one group? Why'd you decide to cram it into a smaller machine?
I wanted one for my house.
Great.
Yeah, no, I mean it was. We've been, people have asked us a lot for a single group, and this machine is really about 2 years of me thinking and dreaming inside of my head of what I would want, my dream machine to be, and then we finally, there's, the changes in technology and stuff like that. We had the right things to finally make the machine, and so that's why now.
So what changed besides just cutting it in half?
Yeah.
What did you have to do differently to make it small?
Well, the 2 and 3 groups have a dedicated preheat tank, and we use the preheat tank to ensure that we have unlimited steam on commercial machines. I think unlimited steam on a single group is going to be kind of not even needed.
Overkill.
Yeah, it's overkill. Yeah. So we got rid of the preheat tank. We added a preheat coil that wraps around the steam tank.
Okay.
We've changed the valve system. On the brew group, we no longer have the mechanical valve inside. So this is our version 3 brew group that uses a 3-way solenoid in the back.
And does that change apply to all Slayers across the board?
It will. Yeah, it will. Yeah. This group head will be on all Slayers probably within the next couple of months.
Okay.
And the advantage of this is that the service intervals on the original machine was probably around 50,000 cycles, where the new one here is going to be around 1 million. So, yeah, we've really made a lot of changes to version 3 of Slayer that allows the machine to go into very busy cafes and to handle outrageous volume, and that technology is in this single group machine. So you can imagine if you had a machine like this in your house, 1 million cycles is a lot before you're going to have to do any kind of PM. So,
and just to get an idea, what does 50,000 or 1 million cycles mean in terms of weeks, months, years?
Well, that depends on volume.
Yeah, let's say it's average, if there was an average.
For a cafe?
Sure, yeah.
I would say a cafe, that would be like anywhere from 3 to 6 months.
Like at the 50,000?
Yeah, right? So again, you can imagine then that in a normal environment, 1 million cycles, really as long as you're doing back flushing, if you have good water, you change your group head screen, gasket, that's about it sort of thing, right? So that was kind of what we wanted. So this machine, what it does, how it makes the coffee is the same, how it does it behind the scenes. Like everything inside of this machine is 100% different than the current version of Slayers. So,
yeah. What are we looking at as far as boiler size goes?
Steam is 3.3. This guy sells them. And the brew tank, I think, is around 1 liter. I figured it out and I had it in here. 1.1. Yeah, and 3.3.
And is this direct plumb only?
Right now, yeah, it's direct plumb right now. In 110 or 220 volts. And then once we sort of get that machine out, then we will make it essentially a pour-over version that'll have a reservoir underneath the machine. The drip tray will be deeper, so it holds more water and that sort of stuff. Yeah.
And ETA, are these?
We're taking pre-orders. Yeah, we're taking pre-orders, and surprisingly, we've already sold quite a few.
That's awesome.
But
I'm actually not all that surprised.
Yeah, I'm not either. Awesome. But yeah, it's good. And we hope to start production in around 3 or 4 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, that's awesome.
Cheers.
Thanks a lot, Jason.
Yeah, you bet. Thanks, Chris.
Awesome.
Okay.